A very good morning to all of you. This is Vinita as your maths teacher for class 9th from Bal Bharti Vidyapeeth, Gohana. Bal Bharti Vidyapeeth, a home of true learning and ultimate pleasure. So, dear, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to start our exercise 1.4. So, our first question is visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. It means we have to represent 3.765 on number line and we have to use the method of successive magnification. So dear, here is the solution. We have to present 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. Okay, so बच्चे we just take firstly two digits together. Is it okay? So it is 3.7. Okay, as we know that 3.7 would be applicable, would be lie between 3 and 4. 3.7 को अगर हम देखें तो वो किसके बीच में आएगा बच्चे? 3 के और 4 के. 3.7 lies between 3 and 4. Okay, so we just mark the number line from 3 to 4. अब बच्चे सपोज यू आर हैविंग रूलर, आपके हाथ में स्केल होता है, उसमें 3 और 4 के बीच में आपने कभी नोटिस किया हो, सपोज ये 3 है नंबर एंड इट विल बी 4, इनके बीच में ये स्मॉल स्मॉल मिड पॉइंट्स बने होते हैं, गिवन होते हैं ना अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूलर. यस, सो इन पॉइंट्स को हमने मैग्नीफाई किया. मैग्नीफाई की हेल्प से जब हमने इनको देखा तो ये हमें इस तरह से दिखाई दिए 3.1, 3.2 अप टू 3.9. ओके, नाउ वी जस्ट वांट 3.7. सो हेयर इज इट 3.7 ना, ये आपके पास क्या आ गया बच्चे 3.7. बट नाउ वी हैव टू सी that already we are having 3.765. it means हमें 3.7 से आगे भी जाना है, it is further going on ना. so we just take 3.8 also कि अब जो नंबर हमारे पास गिवन है 3.76, of course वो इन दोनों के बीच में लाई करेगा. so we just magnify now 3.7 and 3.8. okay, अब बच्चे देखो हम 3.7 को 3.70 लिख सकते हैं एंड 3.8 को 3.80 लिख सकते हैं. नाउ वी आर हैविंग 70 एंड 80. ओके, अब आपको 70 और 80 के बीच के पॉइंट्स मेंशन करने हैं. सो वी जस्ट स्टार्ट 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 76, 77, 78 and 79. ओके, नाउ वी जस्ट वांट 3.765. इट मीन्स 7 आ गया अब यहाँ पे. अब now we just want 3.76. okay, so here is it 3.76, here is it. okay, you just mark that point. after that we just see that 3.765 यानी कि अभी हमने आगे भी जाना है, तो we just take one more point, that would be 3.77. now you just take 3.76 here and here you just take 3.77. it means you have to mark here 3.77. okay, अब देखिए बच्चे, आप 3.76 को 3.760 लिख सकते हो, ऐसे ही 3.77 को 3.76770 लिख सकते हो. it means now you are having after decimal 760 and here you are having 770. now you have to mark points between 760 and 770. so here it would be 761, 762 and up to 769. and now what you want 3.765. so here is it 3.765. so after magnification you just got the answer. okay, आपको ये आंसर मिल गया. it means 3.765 lies on this number line. okay, clear. Our second question, visualize 4.26 vernaculum over there on number line up to 4 decimal places. okay, बच्चे vernaculum means ये अपने आप को repeat कर रहा है 26, so we just write it like that 4.262626 and goes up to. okay, it means we have to show that number on number line till 4 decimal place. so you just firstly write it up to 4 decimal place, so it means it would be 4.2626. okay, as you know 4.2 something is given, so firstly we will just take two digits together and it would be having to 4.2, and these would be applicable, these would be lie between 4 and 5. So you just mark number line and put the points 4 and 5. Same points you have to take from 4.1 and goes up to 4.9. And what you want firstly 4.2 na, so here is it 4.2. and after that you just see कि हमें आगे भी जाना है, so we just mark one more point, so 4.2 and 4.3, and here you just start 4.2 and here it would be 4.3. okay, so according to the previous question same point it is to be given. इसको बच्चे आप 4.20 मेंशन कर सकते हो, and here would be 4.30 also. okay, now you just want to write 20 and 30. between these 2 points you have to write down the numbers. So between 20 and 30, 20 and 30, we are having 21, 4.22 and up to 4.29. now what's the number? 4.26. yes, so 4.21, 4.22 and here is it 4.26. okay, so 4.26 mark you just. after that अभी आपको आगे भी जाना है, so you just take one more point, that would be 4.27. okay, so now according to the next step you are just having 4.26 and here it would be 4.27. okay, same point. आप इसको बच्चे 4.260 लिख सकते हो और इसको आप 4.270 लिख सकते हो. इट मीन्स अब आपको 260 और 270 इनके बीच के पॉइंट्स मेंशन करने हैं. So you just mention it here, 4.261, 4.262 up to 4.269. okay, आपका नंबर क्या है 4.262. 4.26 तक आप यहाँ आ गए थे, अब 4.262 here is it. okay, so you just mark it here 4.262. अब आपका एक डेसिमल प्लेस और रहता है, इट मीन्स अब आपको नेक्स्ट पॉइंट भी मार्क करना पड़ेगा. so 4.262 you just take it here. okay, and so these are 4.262 and that will be 4.263. so you just write it 2620 in that form you can write it, and 2630 in this form you can write this. it means now you are having 2620 and 2630. so now in between these digits, these two numbers you have to write down the points. so you just write down the number line 2621, 2622 and up to 2629. okay, and what you want? I am getting 4.2626. this number only we just want to mention on the number line na, so that would be the number, so that would be your point. okay, clear everyone? thank you, have a nice day.